In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Google Workspace Essentials to Google Workspace Business Standard. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Workspace site. This is your one-stop shop for productivity and collaboration tools, allowing you to streamline your business operations seamlessly. Once you're there, it's time to head into the admin console. Think of the admin console as your control center. It's where you'll manage your settings and make the transition from Essentials to Business Standard. Now, once you're in the admin console, your next stop is the Google Workspace dashboard. Here you'll get a bird's eye view of your workspace environment, helping you manage your applications and services more effectively. This is an excellent place to ensure everything is running smoothly and to keep on top of your digital workspace management. Next, let's move over to the billing section. Billing is crucial as it tracks your expenses and manages your subscription plans, allowing you to budget accordingly. Clicking on it will give you the overview needed to navigate your current plan and make any necessary adjustments. After accessing billing, you should proceed to subscriptions. This section allows you to review and manage your current subscriptions, providing a comprehensive list of all available services. By understanding your subscription options, you can make informed decisions about what best suits your needs going forward. The next step is to select the subscription you want to switch. This is a critical step because you'll be choosing the framework for the services your business will use. By selecting the Business Standard plan, you are opting for a more robust set of tools and collaborating capabilities. Once you've made your selection, look for the Upgrade option. By clicking on Upgrade, you're signaling your intention to move from Essentials to Business Standard, unlocking additional features and capabilities that can enhance your team's productivity and collaboration. This transition will provide you with more storage, increased security features, and more advanced administrative controls. To sum up, by following these steps, starting from the Google Workspace homepage, navigating through the admin console, utilizing the Google Workspace dashboard, and managing through billing and subscriptions, you can seamlessly transition from Google Workspace Essentials to Google Workspace Business Standard. Upgrading your plan can provide your team with the tools they need to work more efficiently and effectively. Each step plays a vital role in ensuring that your Google Workspace experience is optimized for your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.